Where does the name for Llangelynnin come from? So today I'm in Conwy County, just south of Conwy itself, and this church behind me is called Llangelynnin. Let's get into the name. So we can break the name into two parts. Llan, which means an area of land or a settlement attached to a church, ultimately from Proto-Celtic landor, which meant land, and then we have Gelynnin. Now, Gelynnin is the soft mutation of Celynnin, which is the name of a 5th century saint. His full name was Llangelynnin ap Helig, that's Llangelynnin, the son of Helig. Helig here is Helig ap Glanog, the probably mythical king who lost his kingdom to the sea, off the coast of where Penmaen Mawr is now. If that's the case, then he would be the brother to Rhywyn of Llanrhywyn, and Ailgyfarch, who lived near Guffin, and Brothen of Llanbrothen, amongst others. And just outside the church are the remains of Iron Age roundhouses. Now, because these roundhouses actually date from roughly the same time as the founding of the church, supposedly, it's quite possible that St Llangelynnin lived in one of them. The church here is well known for a few reasons, aside from the beautiful views and central location for ancient pathways, of course. The well here, Ffynnon Llangelynnin, is said to cure children of disease, and has been visited since ancient times by worried parents hoping to save their children from the diseases that so regularly took them away. The church itself is 15th century, but it's based on a lot older foundations. Some parts, such as the nave, appear to date back to the 12th century, though, given the name, it's quite possible that there was some kind of religious building here as early as the 6th century. The inside of the church is particularly fascinating because of the inscriptions on the wall, which were revealed after removing whitewash. There's the Creed, the Lord's Prayer, and the 10 Commandments in Welsh, as well as a part saying, "Fear God and honour the King," though which king is currently unknown. So the name literally means the area of land, the settlement, attached to the Church of St Llangelynnin. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.